Today we are going to see the alphabet strokes. This is standing line. This is sleeping line. This is slanting line. This is C curve and this is reverse C curve and this is full circle. Now we will see the full circle, up curve, down curve. Now we will see the alphabet. First we will see Lucida. Apple. Slanting line, again slanting line, then sleeping line, then small a. C curve, then small standing line. Now we see B. Ball. Standing line, curve, again a curve. Now we see the small b. Standing line and from the middle line one curve. Now we will see C. Cat. A big curve. Now small c. Start from the middle. Small curve. Now we'll see D. Dog. Standing line and again a big curve. Now we'll see small d. From the middle, draw a small curve and a standing line. Now we'll see E. Egg. Standing line, next sleeping line, sleeping line, sleeping line. Now small e. Small circle till the bottom of the line. Now we will see the cursive. Now we will see cursive alphabet. F. Fish. From the top of the line, F. Now we will see small f. From the top of the line till the bottom. Now we will see the next letter. G. Goat. Go to the top and come to the bottom. Now we will see small g. The next letter H. Hen. Again a standing line from here up to like this. Now small h. The next I. Ink. I. Next small I. Put a dot. Next J. Jug. J. Then small j. Put again a dot. Thank you.